Hello, my name is Alexandre Carvalho. I'm responsible globally for marketing services. So what we do, we support customers on their growth ambitions. We develop a lot of insights related to the marketplace. So looking at consumers, looking at different categories. So we found is that we did a study on 7,000 consumers, and those are among different markets. And what we have found is that still juice is perceived as a very tasty, healthy, and natural category. So 100% juice is really well perceived. 80% globally believe that 100% juice follow those three areas. And what we see is that 40% of the consumers in this study, they really consume juice every day. They're becoming busy. They need on-the-go solutions. They have to commute every day. So what we see that all this is changing, even most of the meals we have today. So the traditional breakfast in home is changing to more like on-the-go lifestyle. So people are skipping breakfast. People are having more snacks habits. So eating between meals, different types of products. So as juice 100% is really consumed most of the time in breakfast, we see this impact in the juice consumption. And in this study, we identified three interesting ones. Those three interesting ones related to all-natural products, for example, another one related to vegetable nutrition, and another one related to specialty juice. So let's start talking about all-natural products. So the all-natural trend, we see that clean labeling, leveraging on the intrinsic benefits of the juice, the benefit of the fruit, leveraging on all the vitamins, and all those aspects that drive healthy habits are becoming more and more strong. We see different players around that. We see emerging categories in this area like coconut water, which started as a niche product, now becoming popular globally. We see new flavors being launched. So traditionally, most of the consumption is orange and apple, but we see more and more products entering in this kind of all-natural claim. Another one that we see is vegetable nutrition. So vegetable nutrition, we see that some markets, let's take an example, Japan, this category already reached a maturity level, but what we see is that this is starting to get a lot of traction in different geographies. Why? Because all these new flavors and having vegetables helps people to have more natural habits and address those nutritional aspects that we mentioned before. So players launching different like smoothies on vegetable based. We see different mix of fruit and vegetables emerging. So a lot of launches. And what is remarkable is the growth of this category. In the last 3 years, 43% growth and at the compound annual growth rate in the last 3 years. Let's talk about the third one we mentioned. So the specialty juice. The specialty juice is really related to adding benefits to the juice that address new needs and also engaging consumer at different levels. So what we see is that from a traditional category, breakfast consumed category, we start to see new players leveraging on the go, leveraging cool campaigns to address all this engagement of millennials, young consumers, that they want more. They want to have more, just like not only a brand, but they are looking for different experiences. So what we see is that a lot of brands are looking into those opportunities and driving this trend. So all in all, we see a lot of opportunities for the future. 100% juice could be really a complement for consumers in new dietary habits and also into the 5 a day. So we see this opportunity of leveraging all the health benefits of 100% juice. And one thing is important to clarify. Under all this sugar debate that we are seeing more and more, raising awareness, 100% juice doesn't have any sugar added, so which is very complementary to address all these future regulatory aspects in different countries.